Hey there, Kimberly here with Knit for Brains, and today I want to talk to you about this Schitts Creek Lions brand yarn. This is my favorite #4 acrylic yarn. I have used this for hats, for scarves, for all the Afghans that I've made. Absolutely love this stuff. And it's currently on sale on lionbrand.com. $2 a skein, 6 skeins for $12. We're going to dive deep into this stuff today. All right, so today we've been talking a lot lately about acrylic yarns. We've been talking about the Red Heart. We've been talking about a lot of different kinds, but I thought, you know what? I want to show you my all-time favorite yarn. And this right here is Schitts Creek yarn. It's by lionsbrand.com. And you know, the reason that I even started looking at this yarn, honestly, had nothing to do with the weight or anything. I liked the brand name. Back during COVID, I was a healthcare worker, still am a healthcare worker, and there was just a lot of stress, a lot of drama. And so I needed a release. I needed just a place where I could let go and just enjoy, and I needed some really good, feel-good TV. So basically, I binge watched through Schitts Creek and the Golden Girls, because let's face it, that's sort of like, that's my jam. But Schitts Creek and the Golden Girls got me through COVID and working in a hospital over like 2, almost 3 years, and still. So I thought, oh my gosh, how cool is it that this yarn is coming out? I'm going to give it a try. Let me tell you, I love this yarn. If y'all watched through my progression as I made the mix and match Afghan with the yellows and the grays, if you don't know what I'm talking about, I've included some videos here that you can go back and take a look at. Also, I did the black and white, the movie board clapper Afghan for my son. You can see that one as well. All of these were done with the Schitts Creek Lions brand yarn. I absolutely love this stuff. For me, it doesn't pill. It's not too fuzzy. It's a weight of 4. It's 100% acrylic. And it's got, each skein has 372 yards, 7 ounces. So you got a lot of yarn going on here. I love the feel of it when I'm crocheting with it. I haven't knitted with it, but I'm sure it'll be just fine. I love the feel of it. It doesn't split for me. The strands don't split. It just has this really nice, soft, kind of luxurious, flowy feel as I'm crocheting with it. I absolutely love it. It comes in some super fun colors. And if you're a Schitts Creek fan, you'll appreciate the names. This one here is called the Rosebud Motel. If you watch the show, you know that's the name of the hotel. It's a really nice kind of a wine, not really a burgundy, more of like a Merlot wine color, Cabernet. Super, super pretty, super soft. Then this one here is called Wine and Roses, so it's a little bit more of a mauve color. Again, but you can see the strands there. So pretty. Now, this normally retails at $9.99 on lionbrand.com. I have not seen this in my local Michael's and Joann's stores. If you've seen it, go get you some. I haven't seen it. But for $2 a skein, get everything they've got. I already placed my big order today. This one here is called Bebe Bleu. Okay. And it's really fun. If you are a true fan of the show, inside the label, they have little like trivia things that you can read about the show. This one here is called Bob's Garage, I believe. Yes, Bob's Garage. It's this really nice kind of a heather denim color. Really pretty. It does have, I think it has a little bit of a heather to it. So this would be great for like a men's sweater or scarf, something along those lines. And actually, I found this at Michael's on clearance for $4.97 for $5. So even right now, it's even cheaper than that. Now, the sale that they have going on is only good for 48 hours. So I'm going to make sure that I include the link below. So if you see this video and it's past the 48 hours and it's no longer on sale, try to get yourself some or keep watching and get the notifications from Lion Brand so you can see when it goes on sale again, because I have bought this yarn for about $2 a skein. So these sales that they have, they do bring them up occasionally. I don't know if they're trying to get rid of the yarn. I hope they're not, because this is my go-to. This one here is called Shared Wall. And if you saw the show, this is the color of the wall that they had. Now, these here, let me see if I can remember the names because I lost the labels on it. This one is called Tropicana Cafe. It's just a nice Kelly green. This one here, I think it's Flamingo pink. I don't remember because I lost the label, but that's okay. It's on the website. And then this one here is sort of a, I think it's called boho. Oh, wait a minute. There's a label inside here. Hold on. Let me find it. Let me pull that puppy out of here. I love this yarn just so much. I really, really do. Very, very soft. Up, here we go. Okay, so this one is called, was I right? Boho Brown? Boho Brown? Was I right? Was I right? Oh my God, you can make it. Oh, it's on the other side. Take me all the way down to the bottom. Yes! Boho Brown. I was right. Yay. But here on the inside, it just has little like trivia about the show. Such a cute show. So much fun. So I thought, I'm going to try this yarn. I absolutely love it. I even got some other colors. There's one that's like a blush color that I got, and a lot of this. So I'm going to make, I can make sweaters with this. I would absolutely make sweaters or, I mean, I've done Afghans, but I would do anything that's up close to the skin. I really, really love this stuff. Let me stuff this down inside. I wasn't even going to come on with a video today. I was just going to do some editing. But I saw the sale and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to let people know about this yarn. Oh, trust me when I tell you, you want to try all the colors. There's a white one that's called Find Your Diamonds. It's a beautiful, beautiful white. There's one called the Crows or Black Crows, and that's like a true, true black color. There is a heather gray. One's called Johnny's Suit. And the other one is called something sweater. Something sweater. So just get yourself some. Try all the different colors right now for $2 a skein. And again, each skein has 372 yards. It's right here. It's a weight of 4, 200 grams, 340 meters. 100% machine washable, 100% acrylic. Like I said, it's a weight of 4, so it takes like a 5mm crochet hook, anywhere between like a 4 to a 5, 5.5 is fine, and then it takes a 5mm knitting needles as well. So this is the Schitts Creek. Let me do it this way. Schitts Creek yarn by Lion Brand. Lion Brand did it again, people. I'm telling you, these guys are awesome, but you gotta get yourself some of this yarn. Do your granny squares, do your Afghans, do your hats, do your scarves, do whatever you want to do. This is great for baby blankets, you know, unless you want to go down a weight and make it nice and light, but this is so soft. And the colors are so vibrant. They're just so much fun to make. So I got myself some more. I'm going to be getting it in, and I'm going to be talking more about this yarn. So again, Schitts Creek by Lion's Brand. It is currently on sale for $2 a skein. You have to buy them in groups of 6. So basically what they're advertising is 6 skeins for $12. That's how you have to do it. But do it. I don't care. You can mix and match the colors. It doesn't matter, but get yourself some. You will not be disappointed, in my humble opinion. Thanks so much for watching. This is Kimberly with Knit for Brains, coming to you, as always. We got a lot of stuff coming up this week. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, because as you see, we got a lot of content coming. I've got the podcast coming this week, where I'm going to talk a little bit more about Lion Brand. Got a tutorial coming up this week as well. So lots of stuff to cover, but I wanted to come to you today and talk to you about this amazing, my personal favorite, Schitts Creek by Lion's Brand. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you soon.